Song for you. There's so much coming up for you on the stage. Now that the cooking is done, I don't know where they took the food that they cooked. I went through everything. It's not that good.
Well, we got some limes up here. We're gonna start throwing at people later.
This is a song that was written by a woman who was both my friend, my mentor. During the point that she was still here with us physically, I traveled with her extensively and I loved her dearly. Her name was Emma. Emelani's mama, and her ohana is called Emma. For me, she was a very special someone who reminded us of our kuleana as children of these islands. The metaphor of the lei is a very precious one. When you make a lei for somebody, you're not just sowing flowers, you're attaching your best intentions, love, consideration, care, so that when it's given warm, close, and heart, we can transfer all of that. But Auntie Emma suggests to us that long after the flowers have faded, the intention that went into the making of the lei, the intention that went into the making of the relationships, continues. Because that is the love of the Spirit, the kind that we can count on and call on. That you are as a flower laden whose beauty will never fade. And throughout all of life, even eternity, I know in my heart you will always be with me. And so I find myself waiting here, waiting for you, and all the divine energies that surround us. And make sure the love that is shared always remains true. Poina, ʻOle. It has been our pleasure to keep you company and to have the presence of your little baby girl, Anissa
Beautiful. Big round of applause, Kamuela Kimokeo, Jerry Santos, the beautiful Hula as well. Mahalo.